What's up, everybody? My name is Mark. If you're new to here, my name is Mark. I'm a computer science student, I'm computer entrepreneur, and Microsoft Learn student ambassador. Today, I want to talk about my software development setup on my desk right now. And also, I want to talk about my hardware setup and also my software setup. Like, for example, including VS Code, GitHub, and other communication software. So, first of all, I'm going to talk about the software setup, which is what matters the most when it comes to programming. The first software set I want to talk about is called VS Code. VS Code is by far the most, I believe, the most powerful test editor for you to develop your own software, especially for web programming. When you're building a web programming like Merge-Stack or just a pure React application, it's really powerful for you to use a VS Code to program your stuff. And also, you have a lot of extension for you to plug in it and just use it within a second. So now we're going to talk about GitHub. Well, GitHub is a world-class version control software available on web, but also on your local machine. And GitHub is powered by Git, which is a version control software. And GitHub is a version control software that integrates all kinds of resources and have tremendous amount of repository you can learn, will use, and apply for a project. And today I'm going to talk about another communication software that you often use besides GitHub. It's called Slack. Slack is a very powerful collaboration software. When it comes to building a software or entire or even open source project, it's really challenging for you to doing all the stuff by yourself. So it's very important to connect with the community and also other software developers you're working with. So it's really important to connect with our software developer or development community. So you can sign up for Discord or Slack. But I kind of recommend Slack because Slack is more powerful and very convenient for you to use. Another software I want to mention is so-called Notion. Notion is really powerful. It has so many options you can click on. It's very flexible for you to use, and it has so many possibility for you to explore. And with Notion, you can use Notion as a knowledge management system for you to learn new framework and software development. Also, and you can use Notion as a very powerful wikis software or collaboration software to help you collaborate with other developers on a single software or project you're working on with. So it's really important to have all this software suited together to help you build very powerful software within months or even within quicker period of time. And today I want to talk about a lot of stuff which is hardware setup. When we're programming, it's really important to care about software, but also when it comes to hardware, you can even supercharge your productivity within seconds. I want to mention one of the most powerful gear I have right now, which is Apple Magic Keyboard. When it comes to programming, you have to code yourself. You have to coding all the stuff by yourself, but it's really important to type fast. So you need actually pretty nice, decent keyboard to help you type fast, but also to reduce error and increase the productivity overall. And also, I'm going to talk about another stuff. It's called Logitech. Mouse right here is very nice, decent. I just bought it about a month ago, and it's very the design overall design pretty good. And it's very quiet actually, so you can also use this in the library or other development environment. And so basically with most of the keyboard and the mouse, you can supercharge software development and a lot of stuff. Yeah, thank you for your watch. Great to meet you guys. And if you have any question about my software setup, software development setup, and all the configuration, I will post more in video later on, where you can simply comment down below. I will do my best to answer that question. And I already have a personal blog and a personal website available on Azure and Google Blogger, and you can simply search the markchannext.com, or you can also search Next Mark Chan blogger and last stuff. Then you can find my blog, and there will be description down below. You can search for it, and let's meet you and see you next time.